Hey guys, welcome back. So guys, in this video, we are going to learn about how to generate a PDF using DOM-PDF package in Laravel. Okay, so now guys, let's get started. So guys, let's move to our editor, and here we have served the Laravel application. And now guys, let us install the DOM-PDF package. So for that, you have to just search for DOM-PDF Laravel. So you'll get a GitHub link. So now guys, let us move below at a readme.md file. And here is a readme guys. And now we can get started with the installation. So for the installation in Laravel, you can follow this command, which is composer require your DOM PDF. So let's copy this and get back to our editor. And now guys, let us paste the command. So let's open a new terminal and paste by right click on the mouse and hit enter. So now guys, let's wait until it gets installed. So let me just give a full width. Perfect. So guys, our package is successfully installed. And now guys, let us minimize this terminal and let's move inside the config folder. You'll be finding a DOM PDF file. So if you don't find that DOM PDF file, what you have to do, you have to just configure that. So for that, let's get below, and here is the configuration, and here is a command guys, artisan command to publish your DOM PDF file. So click on it and copy, and now get back, right click and paste and hit enter. So here you see that your files has been published, and now you are able to see that DOM PDF file here. Okay, cool. So let's close this, and yep, now guys, you're successfully installed the package and setup is done. And now let us see with an example how we can generate the PDF file. So guys, for that, let's begin with creating one controller. Hit the command php artisan make colon controller where PDF controller. Hit enter. Okay, so our controller is created. You can find that in app http controller where PDF controller. Okay. And now guys, let us create the routes. So let's go to our routes web.php. So here I create one route colon colon using get method, and here we'll mention as generate hyphen PDF. Okay, and guys, you need to connect to a controller. So in the square bracket, you have to mention that path of your controller. So let me copy my path of this PDF controller. So app http controller, then your PDF controller. So let's paste inside this array and call your PDF controller class. And now you have to mention the function name here like index. So on this index blade here, it should be lowercase. I have made it to uppercase by mistake. And now guys, let's copy this index and go to this PDF controller and create the function with the name index. Public function, the function name index, or you can create a different function like generate PDF, not an issue. So let's keep this a unique name like, yep, generate PDF. Okay, so it will be understanding like we are generating a PDF. Done. And now guys, to generate the PDF, so you can find that code in this and here you see guys how we can use it. Okay, so there are load HTML, load view. So this is loading a blade file type, and this is the HTML, like you're writing a raw HTML contents and generating in a PDF. So we'll be using the load view. So for that, you can just copy this code and get back, paste here, and also you have to import the class. So you can copy this, get back and paste it. And now guys, let me add some data here. Like as you have created a variable data. So let's tell variable data of array. Inside array, I will tell like, let's create a title, which is Funda in single quotes, comma Funda of web IT, and then date and get the today date. So you can use a date function like month, date and year. And now guys, the third, call the products here. Like I have a product data and dollar products variable, and here equal to product model colon colon get function. So I'm getting all the product details. So I have imported the class. So if you don't have a product model, you can use the user model. So you can get the user details. Okay. So guys, I have a product model. So I'm using this product data. And now guys, whatever you have stored, you are pushing this inside your data variable and inside this PDF load view. So guys, you need to create a blade file named invoice, or you can tell like generate product PDF. Okay. And you can remove this and you can directly create a blade file. So for that, just go to your resource views inside directly views, or go to your any products folder. So here I have my products folder and I'm going to create a new file inside that .blade.php. Okay, hit enter. So file is created, but here I am inside the product, so you have to mention that I'm going inside the products folder dot and then your blade file. Okay, and now guys, let's set up the HTML structure, and here you can mention the title dollar title. How is this title coming? So you are mentioning that here. Okay, so this is the array data. You are copying this dollar title and pasting here. Done. So same way you can use h to tag any tag and paste that dollar title, copy and paste, and then was your date. So you can copy this date and paste here and mention date title. Okay, and then guys, if you want a products detail, this is coming in array format. Okay, you have array of data, so you have to loop that. So for that you can use a table.table.table, which will be like table bordered, and here table head, table row, where table heading, the product ID, the product name, product price. Okay, let's show these three details only. And then guys, use a t body, so table row, and before this table row use a for each loop to loop the product details. Okay, so let's copy this products variable and paste here, and now you can append this each data like ID. So let me control X and paste here. Oops, so here instead of directly pasting, you have to add in a TD tag. Okay, and now you can copy and paste the product name and the product price. Let's save it. And now guys, to use this classes, you have to include the bootstrap CDN link. So how can you do that? So let me just copy getbootstrap.com and go to docs. So here we have a CDN link of CSS. Let's copy that and paste here. Yep. And now guys, these are few extra lines. You can just remove this. So make sure you are keeping this rel style so it will load correctly. Okay. Now you can download this PDF. Yep. Let's go back and make sure your code is correct. And here guys, you want to generate as different name like Funda product data.pdf. Okay, so this will be the downloading file name. And now you can get back to the web.php and let's copy this. So yep, go to your browser and from anywhere you can just paste that URL, generate PDF. It will download that PDF whatever you have given in that function. Okay, hit enter, so it will just download it. So here you see it's downloaded. Let me open it. Cool. So guys, we have successfully generated the PDF and given the correct data and looped all the products. So these product details are here. Let me just show you inside my products table. And these are the details, guys. Okay, done. Okay. So now guys, if you want to append more details like adding your user details also, let me just give command, paste here and add it to users. And here we change the variable as user. Let's create a variable user equal to your user model colon colon get function, and you can get this user data also and just loop there. So let me just copy this and paste below, and before that I want to give a horizontal row HR and then you can start appending your like name and email. Okay, and now let's change it to users. So make sure you are copying this correct data here, and we are seeing error, guys. Okay, it's not imported. Let's import the class user model. So yep, our class is imported, user model. Get back, and now you are appending this user data, and just check here, user data, name and email. Okay, and now guys, let's try to generate a new PDF. So generate -pdf, hit enter. So you see that again new file has been done, and here you see, guys, perfect. And guys, coming back to your UI UX, like designing this table view and making as an invoice format or any other format, you can just use this CSS codes directly inside your head tag and utilize it. Okay, so guys, in this video, that's it. We have successfully learned how to generate the PDF using DOM PDF in Laravel. So thank you for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe, like and share.